Outstanding design defines the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, a power rear cargo door, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.